I have a Kwikset door handle and that latch is not working, so it keeps getting jammed up. Sometimes we try to come inside the house or go out and it won't open all the way. I've actually removed this, taken it apart, and then went and got a new one and used this one to match it. I went over to the local hardware store. I looked these up online as well. The hardware store was $9.99 plus tax, so it was like $10. I got the whole kit. It was like $11 to get it on Amazon, so it was actually just as cheap to get it locally. So what I'm going to do is replace this. I'm going to show you how to do this. First thing we're going to do is unscrew this door handle. There's 2 screws on the inside of the door. You're just going to remove those, and then a lot of times the door handle will just fall out the back. Hold both sides, pull, and now I have removed my door handles. I'm going to set those aside. The handles are still working, it's just this latch mechanism. Next, what we're going to do is open up this door, come in and remove those 2, and then that's going to remove my latch mechanism. And then depending on how these have been set in there, sometimes people have put in different screws or longer screws. Pay attention just so you put them back in the same holes. If you notice that your holes are getting really big, all you need to do is jam a bunch of toothpicks inside there, put a toothpick in there, break it off, and then put the other half in, break it off, and that will fill in the gap, so then when you retighten it, it'll be tighter. I have removed this mechanism, and so when you turn the handle, this is going to go in, and it allows the door to open up. So this was right there, as you can see, it's not going in all the way. So it was jammed right there, and we weren't able to get it to open up. So I had to do some prying there, it's jammed up again. So this latch needed to be replaced. If you do just purchase the centerpiece, you can do that, and you can use your old bracket here. All you need to do is you're just going to take a flathead screwdriver, or a straight screwdriver, and you're just going to go to both sides, and there's 2 pieces here to this, and you'll just separate those, and you can see there it's separated. So the top piece will come off the top, and then the bottom piece will come off the bottom. So you will see this long, just the latch here, and that will be for sale. This is the exterior one, and as you can see, there's this little piece right here that comes in. So if that is missing, then that's for an interior door. If that is there, it's for an exterior door. So this is for an exterior door, so I got an exterior to replace it. But you can just buy this piece and reuse your little tabs. And so all you need to do, if you do reuse these, you're just going to set this in. I'm going to put the other side down over the top of it, and then you can squeeze it into place. Right there, that popped into place, or you can just use the pliers to squeeze both ends. So here's the new latch, and as you can see, those 2 pieces that I said you could reuse from the old one, they just come the same way in the new kit here. So I'm just going to take this latch, I'm going to slide that into place, and I'm going to take the other side, drop that into place, and then squeeze. And since this is a new one, it's really tight, so I'm going to take a pliers, squeeze that down into place. And then you're going to know that you have it when that piece is flush there. Now I did also want to point out that this is an adjustable. There's a little pin right here. If you take that, just grab the front and the back of that, you're going to pull up, and then that's going to, you can see, slide that out. Now I'm going to just set that latch into place. If these screws are really loose and they're stripped, all you need to do is jab a toothpick in there and break it off, and then screw these in, and that will tighten it up. So before you put it in there, you just match it up to your old latch, so that way when you put it in there, you know it's centered. Check to make sure it is centered though, in case those got bumped, before you screw in the latch. You're going to take your door handle, and remember the one with the lock stays inside, and then this has the exterior lock, so that's going to go outside. We're just going to line up that little piece, and we're going to slide it. Okay, once we have that in place, you can see in here there's a little arc right here. That arc has to match up with the arc on this side. And then once you get it into place, you're just going to spin that lock, and then it's going to drop into place. You're going to take your 2 long screws, you're going to get those set into place. And as long as you know you got the 2 sides matched up, it shouldn't be that challenging to find the screw holes. If it is, just don't push this all the way in. You can actually keep this little bracket out a ways, and then you can peek in through the gap. But once we have that, all we're going to do now, screw these into place. And we're not going to tighten that first one all the way down. You can see a little ring here above my door handle. That little ring is kind of telling me that my door handle's kind of dropped down a little bit. So I'm going to have to lift that back up into place before I tighten it all the way down. And once you know you have those two secure, then you can close your door. It should open, close, it should lock. And it should be really smooth, so you can see right there that's going all the way in. It's not hanging out at all. And once you have that done, you can put your other one in the garbage or recycle it or whatever you want to do with it. That's it. Hopefully this helps. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.